guys, we are back with the final part of the 3D augmented reality tutorial. All right, hope you guys enjoyed so far. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Creative Cloud and import the rocket we made in Blender. Then open the app on your phone, and then you're going to scan your surface so that you can have one of these point thingies here. Then you're gonna press the plus sign to add the rocket. Then go to Creative Cloud. Then find your rocket that we made in Blender together. And click open. Click open. All right, and then your rocket will appear on your phone. You're going to click on trigger if you want it to move somehow. You have a list of different options to animate your rocket, so we're going to use bounce. Press preview just to see it in action, see it in motion. And then go back to your edit, and then just play with your rocket to add any other options, like as you can see, this is a complete 3D model that we made together. This is actually my first 3D model I've made back in December or January, and I absolutely love it. I was so happy when I figured out how to make this darn thing, because it took forever. But now we're here. Look at how amazing this is. Look at the skin we added together. Not the skin, the texture of the material we added to the rocket. All right, and that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I would love to do more. Yeah, follow me on social media and have a great day. Peace.